Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. It's your brother Shane. I'm so excited for today's reaction because I'm going to be checking out Valhalla Calling by Miracle of Sound featuring Peyton Parrish. This is the first time that I'm going to be checking this out, so I'm super excited for it. I always love finding some new music to listen to. So without any further ado, let's get to it.
Ships on vigor of the waves of skimming, barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and reign. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a fate determined, shields and spears. Vows of favor or the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder pound within. Oh, 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 the echoes of eternity. Oh, 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 Valhalla calling me. Oh, 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 to pluck the strings of destiny. Oh, Valhalla calling me. Valhalla calling me. Sails are swaying on the crimson rivers, blood and glory in the fighting fields. Shields are shattering into splintered timbers, iron and steel. Fires are rising and the bells are ringing. Glory take us into Odin's halls. Golden glimmer and the sound of singing as stars fall. Oh, the echoes of eternity. Oh, Valhalla calling me. Oh, to pluck the strings of destiny. Oh, Valhalla calling me. Valhalla calling me. Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free. Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free. The echoes of eternity. Oh, Valhalla calling me. Oh, to pluck the strings of destiny. Oh, Valhalla calling me. Valhalla calling me. Valhalla.
Wow. Goosebumps all over. Yes, that was so freaking amazing, man. Valhalla calling me. I feel like a freaking Viking right now, guys. I want to go freaking plunder. That was so epic, man. I love those, like deep throat Mongolian type singing like that. Oh, it's just so epic. Yeah, man. That was so cool. I'm so glad I actually reacted to that. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction just as much as I enjoyed listening to this. So did they make this song for Assassin's Creed Valhalla? Was this actually created for that? That's freaking awesome though. Love Assassin's Creed. And yeah, man, I just really felt like a Viking there. That was so freaking epic. I have some Germanic roots in me, but yeah, I know Germanic isn't the same as like Nordic or the Vikings and stuff like that. I felt like I was there on the battlefield and we'll go into war, and it was so epic. I just love it when music can take you on a journey to a different location and just make you feel all sorts of different things, and this song definitely did that. So epic, and the vocalists were so good together. They complemented each other so well, and the rest of the song, it was just structured so well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Please smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I also have YouTube and Patreon memberships if you guys would love to join the channel. It really helps out a lot. And I also have PayPal if you want to give a once-off donation. You can also request a song through PayPal. And then last but not least, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. But it's been your brother Shane, sending you all much love, peace, happiness. See you on the next one.